Because we have a guest in the house, and it is none other than the Parrot Anafi USA. So without further ado, let's unbox this and show you what we have. So this is the Anafi USA package. It comes in a heavy duty, with high quality box, and this Anafi USA is designed for the US Army. So the box is very rugged. It has provisions for lock, so if you were to have to check in, no issues. You know, this is very snugly packed. Okay, so and I do like the way it's the lock as well. Very easy. So let's open it up. Wow. Okay. So this is the Anafi USA. Okay, let's pick up the lid. Okay, now I do notice something special about the propellers. It's the leading edge is jagged, and also the tip, it's a little curved, if you can see. Right, so it's a bit curved. So I am thinking this is to improve the efficiency of the propellers and also the sound that it produces. Probably, you know, makes it quieter when we operate the Anafi USA. So same thing, this is a foldy similar to the previous generations of Anafi. Okay, so let's see. Wow. Okay, physically it's a lot easier to hold, nice, wider. Okay, now the key, the star of this Anafi USA is the camera. Let's see what we have here. Ta-da! There we are. This is the 3-camera package in one. Okay, so the thermal camera, it houses the FLIR boson with the resolution of 320 by 256. The other camera we have is the wide angle camera. And the telescopic or the zoom camera that magnifies up to 32 times. So both the zoom operates with the visual and also the thermal camera. It zooms up to 32 times. Okay. So very awesome. So that's the star of this package. Battery is somewhat, of course, bigger than the previous Anafis. This is the Anafi Mark III, and it holds a capacity of 3,400 with a nominal voltage operating at 11.55 volts. Now the flight time that this baby gives to the Anafi USA is 32 minutes flight time. That's a whole lot of juice packed in this little battery here. Okay. Batteries, a little dust cover, right? It is the Anafi USA is IP53 rated, meaning to say that it is water resistant and dust resistant. So I guess this dust cover, by the name itself, serves its purpose because it allows the Anafi USA can operate in a dusty environment. So with the dust cover, it prevents the dust from accumulating within the Type-C. Okay, so that's what it is for. Houses the sonar to give positional and the height. Okay, with a camera. Okay, antennas are embedded within the landing gears. Okay, so pretty. Okay, the propellers I see they are also screwed on. Okay, so it's very easy to remove. You just have to hold this and turn, right? And then it just unscrews out. Very simple. No need for any tools. It's simple. Okay, so let's see what else comes with the package. Okay, let's unpack it. The package comes with total of 3 batteries. The Sky Controller 3, mobile holder, manual, spare propeller, 1 set, 2 pieces of B and 2 pieces of A. So essentially the whole complete set of props comes with it. Type-C cable, 4 of them. High power, Quad-Com 3.0 quick charge USB adapter. And the AC adapter socket for the charger. Right, so this completes the package for the Anafi USA. And we've just got this. We will get it ready for a flight test outdoor. So stay tuned to our next video as we